Hello guys, my name is AJmaster and today we're going to unbox, review and test Blue Snowball Ice microphone, newer microphone, scissor arm stand and Gear microphone pop filter with double shield. It's called also the best tree, the best setup for streaming on YouTube, Twitch, also for recording videos. It's amazing. So let's try it out. I'm gonna show how to set it up and use it, and let's see what we have in here right now. So today guys, we're going to unbox and review these three things. So the first one is the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Let's see what we have inside of it. Let's unbox it and what kind of parts we have in there, what we can use for our video recording, also for streaming. And so we have two things. The first one is the microphone. In here, in this big box, there is a microphone. So we're going to open it. It's really easy to be opened right here. So this is it. It's a round bow. It's amazing. The sound is also amazing. I use it actually right now. It's really easy to unbox the microphone. It's like not heavy. It's perfect. It's like half a kilo. I don't know, something like this. There is all around there is a speaker, so it's really good. So what we have in the second box, in here we can find two things. The arm stand is like a little stand for a microphone. We don't actually gonna use it, but I'm gonna show you how to. You have to just screw it to your microphone. It's really easy to be used. You also can control the height, and also there we can find a cable, a USB cable that you can put on your, you can plug to your PC, laptop, TV, if you have joysticks, things. Also if you have a USB port, for example for a phone, and everywhere. Also this microphone is supported by Skype and also a lot of other apps. So the next thing we're gonna see is the newer scissor arm stand. It's maybe the best arm stand I can see right now. It's like made for the microphone. So here we have three parts. We're gonna use this one. The first one is the stand. It's really comfortable. It's very good. The size is perfect for me. So it's really easy movable. It's just amazing. In here we have a second part. We don't really want to use it. It's like for, you have a standard microphone, but we need something of it, and this is the thing you screw to your table or whatever you need. The third thing we're gonna unbox is the pop shield. Gear pop shield. It's amazing. It's with double layer. That means it provides really good voice. So it about that sound, like when you say p on every microphone, you heard some very bad noise on this one. When you use it on the double shield, it's like you can hear it. It's amazing. It's really easy to use, and it's really movable, good movable. So now we're going to set up all these three things right here. The first thing, we can't actually put this in here. So what we need, it's this small thing. There is a little screw thing on the bottom of it, so we have to easily unscrew it and plug it to our Blue Snowball Ice microphone bowl. So this way it's easily plugged into our arm stand. But first we're going to put that little thing in here that we easily put to our table, all kind of tables, also not only tables. So it's really good, it's really stable, so it don't move. You can be sure it's safe and it's not going to fall down. So after we plug this, we're going to apply our pop shield. It's actually I put it on the middle of the arm stand. For me, this is the best place we can put it, so it gets the perfect size and the perfect way to use our microphone with it. It's really easy to plug into your arm stand. And finally we're going to plug our Blue Snowball Ice microphone bow. And yes, then we're going to put that little thing in here and it make the sound perfect. It's really easy to use, yeah, and you're gonna love it. I prove. Actually, I'm speaking right now to it. It's a really good voice. You can like do some stuff with your voice. And now finally we're going to put it on my table I use for gaming. It's really easy to be plugged in. You can see from the down here I put it right really easily screwed. It's 100% safety. So the cable is go from here up to here. It's actually pretty long. It's really cool to my laptop. So that's pretty much. So if you like the video, please follow, subscribe me, like, comment, and check my Facebook page. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.